What up, trusted signals? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make this profit. Just made $1,000 this morning using trusted signals. Let's go straight to it. Right here on the chart, look at this sell signal. This sell signal was together in alignment with the EMA cloud on the 1 minute, guys. And you could see I was shorting right here, if I could focus right there. Made a quick scalp, and with using the auto support and resistance lines as exit points. Now, I like to wait for the retest of the EMA after the sell signal, so you can simply wait for a retest, enter, and then exit at the support line. Now, look how easy this trade was. By the way, guys, it's currently 6:51 for the day, so I already made $1,000 in the morning before even the day has started. And call me crazy, but I also even use this strategy on the 30-second. Right here, guys, look, this is when I bought, and again, you could see these last buy right there. So here on the 30-second, we had the cross of the EMA turning into a blue cloud after the breakup. The breakup actually happened at 6:24 in the morning. You could see right there at the bottom. And if we zoom in, you could just see that price was struggling to push further down under the trusted signals red EMA line. And if you want to know what these values are, be sure to watch this video so that way you can have the same setup using trusted signals. So after seeing price continue to fail, I decided to enter. And look what happened, guys. It flew right to the previous auto resistance line, which is a perfect opportunity to exit your trade. So if you're struggling to find take profit areas, just look to the left, look at the trusted signals resistance or support line, and use that as a take profit. All right. Going over here. Now let's figure out how you can calculate your lots and calculate your risk for US30 trading FTMO. The first thing you want to do is come to your positioning tool. Let's go long right here and figure out where your stop loss is. A good point for a stop loss is under the previous low or the previous support line, in this case since we're buying, and then TP at the previous resistance line right here or the previous high. Perfect. So now we have about 1-to-2 ratio, but it's 1 to 1.68. Good enough for me for this example. Now here we have 893, guys. This is 893 points or 89 pips. So we're going to want to get this number and put it into our formula in just a sec. First, let's pull out the calculator and type in your account balance because you always want to risk only 1%. So in this case, let's just say you have a $200,000 account. Get your account size and times that 0.01, and now you have your 1% value for your account. We want to make sure that if this trade hits our stop loss, we're only going to lose $2,000. So how do we do that? We're going to get $2,000 and divide it by 89. Divide that by 89, and that's going to equal 2247. Normally, before they did the change on the contract size, it used to be $10 per pip. Now, it's actually $1 per pip on the FTMO servers. So we're just going to divide the account balance again by 0.01 to get the 1% value of the account. Now we have the account and we're going to divide that by the amount of pips. So in this case, it is 89 pips. We basically want 89 pips to equal $2,000. So now we have our lot size. And guess what, guys? This value times $1 per pip, it's the same value times 89, that's going to be $2,000. So if we lose this trade, we only lose 1% of your account. And that's what the trick is to pass these FTMO challenges. Get a system and strategy that works and only risk 1% per trade. Well, that's it guys. This video is done for how to calculate risk for US30. And if you want to figure out how this strategy works, make sure again to watch this video. A lot of the traders within Trusted Signals are passing FTMO challenges. Like I said, they inspired me, the ambassador of the company, to do it myself, and I passed with a 200K verification. So that means you could do it too. And if you like this video, please do give it a like and subscribe. It really does help the algorithm and let others find this video. I'm bringing you this video for free, so go ahead and like it for free, subscribe for free. Once again, thank you so much, Trusted Signals. Let's go.